Thank you for choosing the APEX AT26 tire changer. In this video, we'll walk you through the proper unboxing and setup of your new tire changer. Remove the metal retaining tabs along the bottom of the crate using a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. With two people, carefully lift the wooden crate off the base to begin unboxing. Remove the demount arm assembly from the packaging to allow room for assembly before mounting. Using approved lifting equipment and straps, lift the tire changer just enough to slide the pallet out from underneath, then carefully set the unit in place. With assistance, carefully position the demount arm assembly onto the unit and secure it with the supplied hardware. Secure the tire inflation hose to the holder mounted on the side of the demount assembly. Wipe off the protective grease from the steel clamps before operation. With installation complete and all components secured, the machine is now ready for use. Learn more about APEX at BendPak.com.